Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I want to show you if Tapo C220 camera has memory card slot. So the answer is yes, and I will show you how you can easily find it. So first, open your Tapo app and select the camera right here. Now select pan or tilt and tilt it all the way up until you see the camera pan tilt has reached the maximum distance. Now take the camera and right here we have our microSD card slot. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.